Volume profile trading strategies that brings money for us and for my team. Let's cover a few trades that we took with our community. It was trades that we took on Dogecoin. We made really good money on that trade, and also another trade that we took on Sui and on Solana. All of these trades were based on volume profile. This strategy, what a catch here. First, you need two combinations. First combination, you need really powerful key zone. What for us is a key zone, as you know, volume profile, we have point of control. It is area where biggest volume traded. Often such areas become powerful support and resistance. And what must happen here? Price should approach that area really with big impulse, like it was here. You can see Dogecoin did significant rise. Here, Dogecoin did significant rise for 26%. Often, in many cases, price compensates such significant move. But it's difficult to find exact moment when reverse would happen. That's why what we do, we simply wait for local consolidation. After that, when you get that local consolidation, you go on a smaller time frame. And after that, what you do, you build volume profile. And volume profile provides you best area where you need to take a trade. Because for you, it's clear that above value area high, it's your golden area where you take short trade. That's a reason why here I gave a signal to our community. You can see this one, this combination. Based on this combination, I gave a signal to our community to take short trade. And at this moment, you can see how that short played out exactly as our community traded. And you take a trade, and in many cases, what would be your target? In most of the cases, they would cover, as you can see, this impulse, at least half of this impulse would be taken. That's why we didn't give, honestly, a target as some of community members took. As you can see here, it was this target. It was exactly this target to cover biggest part of this impulse. As you can see, first target was exactly here. And second target to cover all of this impulse. And you take a trade. In that case, your stop loss, as you can see, quite tiny. Honestly, here you can use even limit orders, because on Dogecoin here, you would have maybe 2 days to take a trade. You set simply limit order, and after that, first target. On first target, you close at least part of your position, like 40-50%, as big as better. As you can see, in that case, to reward ratio 1:4. The same stuff was on Sui. As you can see, the Sui signal that I gave to our community, it was also based on this plan. Have a look. Sometimes we use key zone as a point of control, but sometimes key zone there could be no key zone, simply price reach important area. These two examples, let's cover both of them. Before, my friends, I advise you to join our community. You can see how on daily basis we share such beautiful signals with clear stop losses and take profits. A few days ago, as you can see, this Bitcoin, I gave a signal to take short at 101, and Bitcoin from that 101 at this moment dropped more than 10%. So many people made money with us. Look at this, woke up, great call, Yuri, big profit. Dogecoin, beautiful results. On Sui, as you can see, beautiful results. Also, other trades, Solana, Sui, Dogecoin, as you can see, so many of them played out really well. Be with us, join right now. Let's cover the same that Sui signal. What was the catch here? Price did significant impulse, and you can see that in most cases, price covers those impulse back. As you can see, impulse took back, impulse took back. Even this impulse, biggest part of it took back. And the same here, impulse and price, as you can see, cover it back. But it's really difficult to find exactly area where to take a trade. And you don't need to guess. You simply wait while price creates some range, and at higher part of that range, you simply take this trade. And here you can see on Sui played out exactly 16%, just beautiful. In that case, my stop loss was only 2%, risk to reward 1:8. Honestly, if you would take only part of it and your take profit would be at least to cover half of this impulse, in that case, you still would have 1:5 risk reward. It's amazing. The same stuff was on Ethereum several weeks ago. It was, I remember, Monday, December 30, when I gave a signal to take long. It was exactly, as you can see, this signal, and you can see that that signal also was based on this volume profile, and we took a trade at value area low, because it is a golden place. Once more, if you understand that value area is for long, at value area low, you take a trade and you have such beautiful profit. And all our community members really made good money. And what was the reason there? Again, Ethereum did massive drop, and often price compensates that significant drop. As you can see, this stuff works on a bigger and lower time frames. And you can see they took biggest part of this move. They took more than half of that move. And what's going on here also was additional confirmation because they're at smaller time frames. There was significant volume profile. Let me show to you that signal. It was exactly here a moment when I wrote to our community to take a trade here, and have a look. What was the secret here additional? There was massive volume profile and open interest absorption. Honestly, when you see something like this, it is a double confirmation, because in that case, accuracy of a trade would be just insane. You can see here I gave a plan on pullback to take long. After that, I gave clear, as you can see, stop loss take profit, and price tested it just perfectly, as you can see, retested, and after that gave first target, and Ethereum reached 370.20. And here we advise to all our people to get out. That's why, summary for you, volume profile, it is a really powerful tool. When you understand that this volume profile is for long, low of that volume profile, it is your golden place to take long trade. When you understand that volume profile is for short, best place, it is value area high. Remember, here I prepared for you full video lesson about volume profile. What you do right now, you join our community to receive such signals plans on daily basis, and you watch this video lesson about volume profile, because it will take time when you will learn how to use it properly, but believe me, it's worth it, because accuracy would be insane.